Now, how can you recover pictures from iCloud to your Android? Let's get into it. So, a lot of people don't know about it, but iCloud photos and even some other iCloud information can be accessed from many different places and devices. So, it's not like only on iPhones, because you can use your Android and go to any kind of web browser of choice and go to a website which is iCloud.com. And there you can click on the sign in button and you will be able to proceed to the sign in process. So essentially, you'll have the ability to type in your Apple ID, which is an email address most likely, and also the password. And if you go through the setup process and just sign in properly, which might include two-factor authentication, but if you go through everything, you'll be able to access your data right there. So everything from the mail, notes, all the way to the photos. And then when you tap on the photos, you have the option to select them and then download them locally to your storage of your Android phone. So it does work in that sense that you can technically select even all of them and download everything from the cloud, from iCloud, to your local Android storage. So if you want to, you can most definitely proceed in that sense because a lot of people don't know about it, but it's very useful. And outside of that, you can also just, if you mean like a different thing, if you want to recover the photos from the recently deleted, well, inside of the Android iCloud version, you can also check out the hidden photos and the recently deleted and stuff like that as well. So go ahead and explore all of these sections within iCloud if you're already there. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I honestly hope that I could help you with this. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.